The picture's all fuzzy. You get me some sort of cheapo satellite?
Oh, it's not a cheapo satellite. I just gotta adjust it. How about now?
It's even worse.
I can make it work. Hold on. How about now? That, get your hand off.
Could you hold her for a sec? I need to bake another way.
No, actually, Okay. Okay.
Go on, you can't break her.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you know what?
It's a satellite. You gotta point it up at the satellite. How about now? Is it better now?
No, it's worse. It's still crappy.
I don't think she likes me.
She likes you fine. Just give her a chance to warm up to you.
How about now?
Worse. It's worse.
Son of a bitch.
Take the damn thing down. I can do better with my rabbit ears, all right? I love my rabbit ears.
Can you tell me hot or cold?
What?
Hot or cold?
Hot or cold what? Hot or cold? What the hell does that mean, hot or cold?
How long till she warms up to me?
Not long at all.
Horrible.
Roll it up! Shut up and let me work on...
I don't even want a fancy satellite. I don't want any kind of satellite.
Not a satellite, genius! It's a satellite dish! Pull the thing and point it up at the...
Get off my roof!
Pull the damn thing! It's too much.
Whatever you're doing, stop it right now!
I'm fine.
Leave me alone! I will stop it, you moron!
She stopped crying.
Be careful of my teeth!
I did it.
You idiot! Stop it!
This is all right.
Leave me alone!
We're fine.
That's awesome.
We're okay. Coming up.
Give me back my baby.
Mistletoe. Mistletoe. Oh.